If you get install failed restricted, install cancelled by user, go to settings, then please choose additional settings, and you need to choose developer options like this, and switch to debugging menu like this, and you must to choose install via USB and install debugging. Thank you and good luck, like this.
Are you worried about your future and looking for answers to avoid misfortunes and problems? Tarot Pro is the answer, a simple and easy-to-use future prediction app. Tarot Pro consists of 11 insightful spreads, which helps you to get your answers quickly and easily for any questions. Ask Tarot Pro such as, "What can I do to progress in my career?" Then select card from the spread and read the meaning. Get Tarot Pro now and make your future better. Download it.